If you look at this energy mix of household energy in Australia, it's 2,136 in 2016. That's the costs. 40,000 is heating and cooling, 40% is heating and cooling, 21% is domestic hot water, 33% is appliances, and 6% is our lighting. And this 21% and the 40%, that's really what Passive House is tackling, and to some extent the 33%. So that's something that we can really, the Passive House is able to tackle. If you're now looking at average household spendings, and we look at where did people spending money, they spend on current household costs, selecting dwellings, and they're spending domestic fuel and power. That's the 15 biggest expenditures in our households. If you're now looking at the different income of people, like low income, middle income, and high income, we see that the domestic fuel poverty is far higher in low income people. So from an economical point of view, from a social point of view, we really need to get this domestic fuel spendings down, because that's a social thing to do. So social housing and low income housing really needs to be something like Passive House to get to a more, more fair share of carrying the weight. So and Passive House can cut this whole thing to half. It's just applying Passive House principles.